Do you remember when SPRAGGA BENZ got mad at Anthony Miller after he said Vibes Cartel won the clash between them?
You came close to being burnt by Vibes Cartel. You moved away from that. You kind of did a quick move.
Vibes Cartel came close to being burnt from me. Don't put it away there. Get it in the right perspective. It's a DJ whom I respect, but it's not a DJ whom I fear.
There's really nobody
it's
you
just
fear.
Not my type of thing that. But I've been here for before him. Not take nothing from him, but I was here when he came. I was one of them people who used to write with him too. I write for him too. Come write songs where me and him perform. Where me write. Not take nothing from him. He's a very talented artist. But I don't consider it the way they like go for burn or nothing like that. Anybody could have get burned.
Is he unique in a way that some other Jamaican DJs aren't unique? Because that seems to be the argument that's being made, that Vibes Cartel is dominant in a way that very few other DJs are.
Right, because he did have a lower morality level. He still have. So things where Cartel would have jumped up for say, would have been things where even me and back in my days, my youth, them used to think that, but would I never sing that, because that's not really necessary for it. We don't need for God so. But for the shock value, a lot of the nowadays artists doing that, and I think them accredit him as a person who spearhead that. Sadness not new, you know, but the levels of it, you know, and the topics then, they change.
So nothing that panned out in what eventually happened to Vibes Cartel particularly surprised you?
To me, well, it's kind of surprising that they would have locked him out without full evidence in that you know, aspect. But it is what it is.
Well, they had voice notes.
But then now that a voice note and a solid evidence that to me.
Because they tampered with his phone.
Because and I am an artist. I know in a studio things we can change up things, we can change up sound, we can splice things, we can make it say what you never say. We can do all that things with technology nowadays.
You think Vibes Cartel was put away without the state having made its case properly?
Well, them don't come with a body and them don't come with a weapon. So leave it at that.